Hello to everyone today. I am here to tell you about an incredible opportunity that could completely transform your relationship with your beloved two-wheelers. Imagine being able to fully understand your vehicle, take care of it yourself, and save time and money at the workshop while simultaneously enhancing your motorcycle's performance. That's why I'm presenting to you today the Motorcycle Mechanics course by Racext. One of the main advantages of this course is that you will no longer need to rely on mechanics to perform maintenance on your motorcycle. You will learn everything you need to take care of your vehicle yourself. From daily maintenance to more complex repairs, we will cover a wide range of topics. You will gain solid knowledge about how the engine functions, how to handle the fuel and lubrication systems, how to maintain the wheels, the braking system, and much more. Our course has been designed to provide comprehensive training. You will be able to put what you've learned into practice, which is crucial to becoming a competent motorcycle mechanic. Whether you are a beginner who has just purchased your first motorcycle or an expert looking to acquire advanced skills, our course will adapt to your needs. This course is not just an investment to improve your motorcycle's performance, but also an investment in your future. The skills you acquire will be useful for a lifetime and could even open up new career opportunities. So, if you are ready to revolutionize your relationship with your motorcycle and save money at the workshop, sign up now for our Motorcycle Mechanics course at Racext. Don't miss the opportunity to gain knowledge that will benefit you throughout your life. Click the link below to enroll now and begin your journey to independence in motorcycle mechanics. Thank you for following us and see you soon at Racext.